know you kind of answered this in the last question, but what's happening with housing and homelessness policy today in Canada?
Well, the where we're at currently is and we see it in the National Housing Strategy that the Liberals brought out in 2017, is that they really see the solution as increasing affordable housing, or augmenting, and so they've set huge numbers, of building affordable housing, and they've also, in the National Housing Strategy, put funding around renovating the affordable housing stock, social housing stock in the country, because it's in disrepair. It was kind of left, but that's kind of where we're at right now. If you look at right now, in terms of what the government is saying, our federal government with their national housing strategy, we need to create affordable housing. That's really going to be make the big difference. And then what's interesting, which is kind of overshadowing the homelessness issue in the last couple of years, is just the cost of housing, and in particular people who want to buy housing and first home buyers, and of course that touches a lot more people in the population, so it becomes a bigger let's say election issue right now, a federal election issue, than trying to solve homelessness. Well, we got to figure out a way how for these people to be able to buy housing, these first home buyers and so on. But it's all the same theme, we've got to find a way, to get people to have more housing, so that the supply meets the demand, regardless of whether it's rentals, or it's private market housing.